Just want to show you how beautiful this town is. And I saw this when I was walking down. I said, let me just come back here and capture this and go into the video. Beautiful. This is the town of La Ceja. Guys, what's up? I love this town. There's so much I'm going to tell you about it while we walk around and explore some of the neighborhoods here. And it's a quiet Monday. Today's a bank holiday here in Colombia, November 7th, 2022. And yeah, guys, this is beautiful. Let me tell you stories about this place while we walk around and make our way towards the main square and all of that, so you can just see what life is. This town is quieter. It's not as noisy or rowdy as other towns are in Colombia. Not all towns are rowdy and noisy, but this one is calmer and everything. If you want to see action of a lot of people, then you got to go to the town square. So welcome back. If you like what I'm doing here on YouTube, following me and everything, just remember to like it and subscribe. All of this helps. The likes help this video go out to more people on YouTube who are looking for content like this about Colombia, Antioquia, and this is La Ceja. And leave comments. And remember, if any of you are YouTubers, I've been saying that already for about 2 or 3 videos, just leave your channel handle down there and say I'm a YouTuber, this is my channel, and check me out. So let's keep going, walking around. This is Eddie Murphy Raw. I'm raw because I just shoot clips and everything, and then I just transfer them with the SD card onto my my computer, my laptop, and I use the laptop's editor. That's it. I don't have any fancy stuff, and I don't want to. And then I use all the stuff that is good. If something comes out bad, really bad or something, then I won't use it. But usually 95% of the time I use all my material, all the stuff I make. I basically don't let anything go to waste. So this town means a lot to me because many years ago, back in from 2007 to 2010, I lived nearby in another place called Llano Grande, part of Rio Negro, not part of La Ceja. And I used to live in a country house. And on the weekend, sometimes I would come here just to shoot the breeze, just to chill, relax, have something to eat, play some pool, American billiards type. Look at all these beautiful houses. I mean, if you want to see some more of what like Envigado and other towns in Medellin used to be like, you come here and you see some of the older architecture, the older facades. And yeah, this town has a very special place in my heart, because I remember I came here with my friends Sandra Echeverria, Sandra, I want to give her last name, and some of the friends when we were hanging out when I started working at an English language institute back in 1996. And we would come pass through here, and that's how I got to know about this town, through her, because her dad's place where she lives now, we used to go there. It's a country house in the countryside here in La Ceja, and we would party all weekend, especially when there was a long holiday, and it was just awesome. And then I would love coming to the town after I found out about this town through her and whatever, and just chilling and all. And the people are here so vibrant in general, so cool. I mean, it's nice. I've always had a good time here. And even my ex-girlfriend's father, everything, he loved this town a lot, and he has a piece of land that he wanted to build a country house on, but I don't think he ever got around to it, or maybe he did, because we broke up a long time ago. But my ex-girlfriend and I lasted 4 years and some change, and we would come here sometimes on the weekend with him in his Toyota Land Cruiser, the cow face one they call in Colombian Spanish, cara de vaca, Toyota Land Cruiser, cara de vaca. So I love this place. It's awesome. Ooh, yeah, can you feel me? So let's see if we just go with a straight unedited video. Check out the local grocery shop here, where you want to buy some fruit and veggies, the plátanos, maduros, papa criollas and everything. And these are the mom and pop shops. This is the old style, and everything with the scale there and all that stuff just put up, and the sacks of potatoes there. and all the other stuff, and the broomsticks and the mops and everything. It's just, I love it. I love it. I love the feel. Do you love the feel of this town? But when we get towards the town center, that's when it gets really busy, baby. Now, as you may well already know, in case you don't know, then now I'm going to let you know that I am moving to India next year in 2023. And if any of you want to help me get there and all of that, all donations are welcome when I'm doing live streams, or the thanks button with these pre-recorded vlogs, $2, $5. It's all good. Help me get there faster. I got a job. I got a day job. I'm an English language teacher online. I teach online Monday through Friday. I'm a digital nomad. But with things happening in my life that I've already told most of you about, but I'm just not going to get into it anymore, it is difficult to save money, to get there fast, to save a lot of money. And so I want to get to India faster, because I know that once I'm in India and continue doing daily vlogs like I'm doing here, India is the #1 country for people who love subscribing to YouTubers' channels. They do, and they love following people as long as they're making videos in India or in Pakistan too, or Nepal. And those are the countries I'm going to be around. But I'm going to be living in India or traveling through India, just in case you don't know. I'm going to be spending initially 4 weeks in each place that I go to, as long as there's a good Wi-Fi and everything, and AC, in case I need the air conditioning system if it's hot that time of the year. Because I'm a digital nomad and I need a strong connection, stable connection, to high-speed connection to do my classes and also to upload videos. And with 4 weeks booked on Airbnb, you get discounts. You get 10, 20, 30% discounts, even 40% discounts with some Airbnb listings. And that's what I'm going to do. And hopefully my YouTube channel will blow up quickly in India, because I'm going to be showing everything, good stuff, beautiful stuff, all the places, food, veg food, everything, walking through alleyways. But anyway, back to this. We're going towards the town square. We're walking along this street here, and you can see it. And it's a Monday around 9:45 a.m. on a bank holiday, a public holiday here November 7th, as I said before. And so people are waking up a little later than normal. And I love the architecture. And this town was this main square. Hi doggy, I should have brought doggy treats and I forgot. Okay. And this main square here, the town square, was remodeled a few years ago by a friend of mine. Him and his company, they did the design, not the construction work part, they did the designing part. They designed the whole part, and then of course some other company did the actual physical work itself. Hey, so check it out. This is the town square here. Let's walk along this way first so that we can leave the park itself for a little bit, so y'all guys can see more. And you have all these classic architecture of the balconies. They can't be touched, and they're restaurants and coffee shops on the second floor. And I remember I used to come to this place right here with my former my ex-girlfriend's father and her, and he used to love sitting here, and we used to have a cup of coffee here and whatever, and eat something, snack on something. It was an awesome time. Back in 1998 to 2003 we were together. 4 years and some change, my ex-girlfriend and I. You know, it was cool stuff. I got over her and everything. Took a while, took 3 years to get over her, but I got over her. Life goes on, and it's all good. I feel free. I felt free for so long. I might come and have a little second breakfast there in a little while, because I'm a little hungry. For now, let's keep making this video and show you a lot of things going on here. People are just starting their day, and I'm just walking quickly through here. And we go, look at the other balcony here. And then people are here outside the little chapel. They're having a coffee. This is a coffee place since 2004 called One Coffee, Un Café, or a coffee. And look at the shop. It looks so nice on the inside with the cups and everything. It looks pretty cool. And they got some cakes here if you want some slice of carrot cake or apple and nuts, and chocolate cake too. And well, you can sit outside as you just saw. And if you want to get a shoe shine, you can get a shoe shine. And this is the chapel museum, Our Lady of Chinquinquirá. Chinquinquirá, check it out. Look at it, beautiful. It's a small little chapel, it's old. It was started in 1820 and finished in 1829. And now they're opening up the little stalls here with all the different kind of things they're selling. And then we got another place here. Some people are drinking a beer already early in the morning. Drinking beer, that's the way some people are. The Santa Clara pastry shop. And people are coming here to get iced coffee or whatever. So it's a place you could come and get some buñuelos o almojábanas or whatever. Buenos días. Buenos días, ¿cómo están? Bien, bien. Trabajando bastante ya. Ah, qué bueno. Buen día, muchachos. Shoe shine is nice people. Like I said, they're very nice people in general. Greet you. They say hello to you if you say hello to them, or they might say hello to you first. And you see all the Christmas stuff here because it's November 7th and people here love Christmas. If you want to see how awesome and stuff Christmas is here in Colombia, just check out all my vlogs starting on December 1st, December 2nd, all that, all the way through. So, oh, look at that, La Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower. That looks pretty cool. Wow, guys, nice. Let's check it out in a moment, but check out this corner here. That's old school too. That's pretty old school. Good 80 years old, 100 right there in terms of that one. Wow. So don't think this is a pedestrian thing here. Traffic comes through here, so if you come to visit La Ceja, you gotta be careful. Wow, look at this thing. Looks pretty nice, pretty cool. And they got all these little things here, and then a more iced coffee machine there with all kinds of coffee. And then this, the Eiffel Tower. They're preparing this for Christmas. Now I know why, because this was in El Retiro like 2 years ago. I remember now. This was in El Retiro 2 years ago, and now they have it here. Sometimes they sell it to another town the following year. Ooh, check it out, guys. Ganesha, please remove the obstacles so I can get back to India fast next year. And Buddha. Wow, look at all of this, cool. And dream catchers, dream weavers. Wow. And this whole park was remodeled, designed by my friend and his company. I don't remember the name of the company anymore, but check out the park. And this park used to be very different, but it got beautiful. And when they normally have the water fountain things here, the water shooting up, the water shoots up from these holes in the ground right here. And they're already getting all this Christmas lights up. This whole canopy here is about lights for December. They're going to start December 1st, if I remember right. And you got some more little stalls there with different things they sell, food, things that you want to buy. Wow. And look, they're still preserved this part of the town, this part of the main square there. You can see how the balconies are still preserved, and the doorways and the windows. And right there, I'm walking on right here, this is like a whole water fountain show with lights at night during the Christmas holiday season. All the way down that way, going like that. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna come here with my friend and whatever in December. I'm gonna check people out. So check out how the whole balconies and all of this is just done. Now they're remembering people here that passed away. This is kind of like a mural of the deceased who were important in this town in some way or another. Buenos dias. And people are just, like I said, just having a snack, having a coffee, having some biscuits, some pastry. And then look at the church. The little stalls that they have all over the of the area now. It used to be up here, up and down, like one row here and another row coming up, but they shifted them over to that side, probably because they're going to do something here for December for the Christmas lights. So let's check out the church. Look at that beautiful church. Wow. This is one whole shot video right here. And let's check out the church inside. Remember, give it a like. I remind you guys in case you have forgotten. And if you want to give it a like, just give it a like. If you don't, you don't. That's all it is, you know, whatever you guys want. Today I'm just cool, calm, and collected, Eddie. Cool as a cucumber right now. This church was started, what was it, 1815? Yeah, 1815. This church. And in 2015 it celebrated 200 years. Check out the church. Look at how beautiful it is. Alright. Let's move this way. And the stained glass type of murals. I don't know if that is that what you can call it. The Nazareth workshop, Taller de Nazaret. And it even has the families who donated them, the names of the families, donated by the Señorita Genoveva Arango. And yeah, even this was a donation by the devotees. And beautiful architecture. Look at the columns, and then the artwork there at the end of them before they start arching. And this is the main part right here. It's really beautiful. Flower arrangements. And then they got a little side part here with Christ on the cross and some angels over there with the Virgin Mary and some of the apostles and saints. So very nice, very beautiful thing here. Wow, it's been a long time since I've made a vlog. Well, hey, confession time. I'm going to confess my sins. Nah, no, I don't think so. I'm not a Catholic. I'm not anything. I'm like Shiva, not thing. I'm not a thing. I'm just a soul going through this journey, cosmic journey, living this particular human experience with so many different roles. It's the role of a son, the role of a friend, the role of an English language teacher, the role of a YouTuber, baby, because I am a YouTuber. Remember that? I love doing what I love doing. Today I'm pretty calm about it, but I love doing what I love doing. And I look forward to going to India and connecting with the YouTubers that I'm making connections through YouTube right now with, and making vlogs with those people there, like Okan or Amir and Talmiz vlogs, and Amir and Super Cool Life, Vic from Varanasi. What's up, Vic? What's up, all of you guys, and anybody else I haven't mentioned at the moment because I forget names. I'm looking forward to it. So with that said and done, this is a small tour of La Ceja here. Stay tuned for more daily videos.